Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your voice on Discord Mobile in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for VoiceMod. Download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open VoiceMod. You'll see a variety of voice effects to choose from. To use the app, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Create Account or Log In. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. After that, open the Discord app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the app settings section and select Voice. If VoiceMod appears as an available voice input option, select it. If you don't see the option, open Discord in your mobile browser instead. Tap the three-dot menu in your browser and enable Desktop Site or Request Desktop Website. Sign into your Discord account and follow the same steps to access the voice settings. That's it. You should now be able to use VoiceMod to change your voice while chatting on Discord. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.